can take a lot of patience. It's very meticulous, every model's different, every client's specifications are different. You know, we're working with 25-year-old vehicles. I'm Jim, I am the supervisor of Workshop 1 and we build the trucks from the chassis upwards. It takes 4 days roughly to build it from the chassis upwards to the body. They come into us completely bare chassis and then going by the customer specs, we fit the suspension, all the ancillaries, all the steering, straight lines, fuel lines, every nut and bolt is brand new. Once that's all built up to what we call a rolling chassis, we then fit the body, which is the bulkheads, the tub, the seat boxes. Then they'll go down to body shop, they'll get prepped, primed, painted, and once they're all finished and they're happy with the end product, they'll come back round to here and then they'll end up getting carpeted, then they'll go to electricians, and then once that's done, then they'll come back into us where we will prep all the bulkhead, all the brake systems, fit the gearboxes, the engines, all the exhausts. Fitting the body and getting all the door gap can take quite a time, can be quite frustrating, but once you get there, it's a good feeling. I've been there just over 4 years. It is an enjoyable job. I'm proud of what I do. Seeing the end product is great. I love seeing the trucks come out of the workshop. I think the thing that makes Arkonik Defenders is the people who build them. That's a lot of love that goes into that to get them right.